Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's not looking too good outside. It's raining, womp 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 womp. But anyways, we're going to try and enjoy this weekend. Now last week I did a video, I did a makeup look using the Sample Beauty palette, and I know I said previously that I did not like the palette, but somehow this palette seemed to work. I think it's just that some of the shades in the palette are not that great, but I think if you build them up, it will actually work in your favor. And I did just that, and it worked out fantastically. So I'm going to be using that Sample Beauty Paradigm Shift palette again, just to test it out and see if the other shadows that weren't very pigmented, if they work when I build them up. I digress. So in today's video, guys, I was gonna say last week I did the video and I was gutted that I could not do a voiceover because I was suffering with allergies, but today I feel much better because I take the allergy pills and it does help. Now today I want to share with you how I apply my Shaunz Beauty lashes. I know I come on video a lot of times and I just put my lashes on and off I go, but I wanted to give you guys more of an in-depth kind of, you know, tutorial on how I apply Shaunz Beauty lashes. And if you don't know by now, Shaunz Beauty lashes, that's my brand. I have a lash brand online that you can shop and pick up some really fabulous quality mink and silk lashes. So today I wanted to share with you how I apply these lashes. I know I've done lash tutorials before, but those were just regular lashes. These are absolutely great mink lashes, and today I want to share with you how I apply them more in depth. So I know a lot of people out there, I know a lot of us, we still do not know how to apply lashes, and let me tell you guys, sometimes I still struggle, and I wanted to be able to show you guys how to do it without it being too hard, if you know what I mean. I know it takes time and it takes practice, which is what I've been doing, but I'm still not the very best at it. But I love lashes, so I try my best to do it right. So I wanted to just share with you guys today on how I do it. Anyways, the lashes I'll be using today are I don't know if you guys can see it, Sally lashes, and they look like this, and these are from my lash brand, Shaunz Beauty lashes. So these are the lashes I'll be using today. These are called Sally. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. So I do hope this is helpful for you guys. If it was, please let me know in the comment section down below. So yeah, let's go. All right, my beauties, so the first things you want your mascara, because I use my mascara to kind of, you know, comb out my lashes to make sure that they're in place and they're not, you know, they get a little bit more definition. And I have my tweezer. I have this as well as this one because I find this one easier to use rather than this one, but maybe I'll try and use both, or we'll see. And of course you want your liner, whether it's gel liner, liquid liner, whatever you use, you want to use this to disguise the band of the lashes. And of course you need your glue, any glue of your choice, but I always use the Duo. Of course, Shaunz Beauty lashes, we also stock glues, but I like to use this. I cannot find my Shaunz Beauty lash glue, trust me. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere hidden, but today I'm going to be using my Duo, and this one is the brush on one, which I find easier to use. And of course you need your trusted old lashes. Now guys, the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put some mascara on my lashes. So you want to make sure that it's sort of like you're combing out your lashes to extend them. A lot of people don't do this before they add their lashes, but I like to do this because it kind of blends in, and sometimes I do it after lash application. So you want to make sure that you get all those little lashes combed out. So usually guys, I apply my liquid liner before I use my mascara, but I forgot to do that first. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my liquid liner right now. And it does not have to be a winged liner. You just want to put a line, an accurate line across your lash line area so that it disguises the band of the lashes. So we're just going to go ahead. I should have done this first. because it's me, I'm going to go ahead and do a wing. I just feel like doing a wing. So okay, we can tie up the winged liner later on, but right now we're just focusing on getting that line over here so that we can cover the lash band nicely. Okay, so now you want to make sure that if your lashes are already measured and cut to size, that's great. I always measure my lashes and cut them according to the length of my lash area. And this is what it looks like, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and apply the lash glue. So what I do is brush it on like this. Make sure that you put enough on the ends of the lashes, of course, because that's where it always tends to lift off. So you want to brush it on like that. Okay, you can do the other lash while this one dries, because we're going to let it get tacky for at least 30 to 40 seconds. My issue is, guys, I never wait until my glue gets tacky. I am always in such a hurry to apply them, and so it makes it harder to apply because it's not tacky enough to stick. So the aim is to make sure that it's tacky, so that when you put it on your lash area, it doesn't lift off and it doesn't do its own thing. So you have to wait at least 30 to 40 seconds. I personally like to wait sometimes longer because it ensures that it's tacky enough to apply. So I'm gonna blow on these for at least 40 seconds. If you're applying it on yourself, it's fine to blow on it, but if you're applying it on a client or a friend or whomever, it's best to just let it dry, air dry like that, because it's more sanitary, it's more hygienic. So we're just going to, because I'm applying it on myself, I'm just going to go ahead and blow. And I want it to dry faster because I just don't have patience. So make sure that you have a mirror as well, because you want to look down when you're applying the lashes. I find it much easier when you look down. Was anybody counting? I don't know. I think it might be ready. Let's see. Okay. So make sure that you look down, guys. You look down, you get the tweezer like this. So I decided I'm going to use this tweezer instead because I find it much easier. So make sure that you look down after the glue gets tacky, of course. You make sure that you grab your mirror like this and then you look down. Wait, hang on. I want to make sure that I place the tweezer in the center of the lashes like so. And then you pop it on. Make sure that it goes on your lash band, like on your lashes like that, in the middle. I like to start in the middle, okay, and then I take my time and pull it in place. So I stuck the end on first like that, and then I get the inner corner. Wait, you guys can't see what I'm doing. and I tried to stuck the inner corner on. Oops. Ah, there we go. And then we proceed to the other lash, do the same thing. You can start it here as well, it doesn't matter. And then you go ahead and this one was much easier to apply. I think it's because this one dried a little bit longer, a little bit better. So, and after you've applied them, you make sure that you go back in and push them into your own lashes. It's kind of reinforcing them. Oh, these nails. So now that you've applied your lashes, you can go back in with your mascara and kind of blend it in, blend your natural lashes in with the falsies, if you know, if needs be. So guys, that is the end of the video. I do hope you found this helpful, and let me know if it was easy enough for you to understand. I know that it's quite tricky sometimes to apply your lashes, but the more you practice, the better you get at it. As you can see, I am still on my practice thing, girl. Sometimes I get it, especially when I'm doing it on camera. It's much harder because I have to make sure that I'm in shot and everything is going great. But when I'm doing it on a regular basis, it's much easier for me to do, but harder on camera. So I do hope you found it helpful. Do let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to get your hands on these lashes or other lashes, go ahead and check out Shaunz Beauty lashes, shaunzbeauty.com. The link is in the description box down below. Make sure that you check us out. Get yourself some lashes, girl. We've got all sorts of lashes. We've got dramatic lashes, we've got subtle lashes, we've got mink lashes, silk lashes, we've got lash tools and accessories, the whole bit. So make sure that you go ahead and check us out. shaunzbeauty.com is the link. And of course, thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe, of course, you guys. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave if you have not already. Turn your notifications on. It's that bell down there by the subscription button. And of course, yeah, follow me on all social media. And if there's anything that you want me to do in the future, let me know in the comments as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.